Hear me I say, this is going to be the walkthrough. This is the first walkthrough you guys are going to get as to what it look like. Now, as I know my business partner there, Mama do there, the owner with there, and we're going to walk through and just get like a prep. Steve, him know it way more than anybody else because him help design the property. Mama do, they don't know him are the money guy. If we say we want 10,000, 50,000 right now, him dead there and tell us so we need it.
Yes, sir.
Steve, what we do with it?
Bro, we're right here at the Daytona.
Okay.
Man, like I said, getting ready to walk through everything. Listen, like I said, we bringing something super massive to you, but right now where we're standing at is we're standing in the actual patio area. The patio area. So this is the front door area. As you know, it's hot as hell in Texas. So you want to be aware of that. So we put a patio area here in order to pretty much block out the sun and everything. As well as this big 10-foot pivot door that you guys also have to be aware of as well. So
pivot door.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Talk to me about pivot door. Because I'm going to see the pivot door, then we're going to look on the window. What the pivot door them look like for the people out there?
Yeah, so just to kind of give you guys an idea, most of the doors you have, I already know you guys know your standard doors like to hang on your regular hinges on your side window. This particular door will turn from the middle point. So literally, we're going to have a middle point to where this door can open straight up from the middle. And you can leave from left or right. So crazy. And we also have a sun deck above us too, right? So in this particular area, a sun deck will also be right above us.
So we have a sun deck and we have the pivot door at the front.
Yes, sir.
Right, so we have the staircase. Steve, describe the staircase to them. The staircase are going to be the first inside of the neighborhood here because we are going to spiral with the staircase. TikTok, me typically showing what the plan look like, but this is how the staircase are going to. Steve, talk to me again about the staircase.
Yeah, so going in to kind of break everything down, even with your staircase, we're going to go straight spiraling staircase. This particular staircase, right, is also going to have LED lights put under the staircase as well. So as you walk up the stairs, you're going to see a lot of lights and everything. This is going to take you to our second floor, which is our game room, which is right above that patio deck that you guys saw. So, man, we excited to kind of bring this to you guys. So, continuing to walk through, Andrew, come through.
First floor. We're still at the first floor. Office space. Steve, describe to them and tell them about the office space. And all of these lumber I want to say, guys, them are going to remove eventually. I just part of the framing process when time them use the lumber for kind of use as brace. Steve, talk to them again about the office space.
Walking in, you guys, so you guys can see this big, super tall office space. We're going to have 10-foot ceilings. Also, we're going to have the floor-to-ceiling windows. So you guys are getting a lot of natural sunlight into the actual office space itself. So, again, you guys, we don't want you to just sit in an office space where it's super black and dark and you can't see anything. We want a lot of natural sunlight, get that Texas sun coming in so you guys can actually see everything that's going on, man. It's fire.
Well, we're there again, Steve. We're gone round inside of it. Where we are going? We are going to go to the right.
Yeah.
Which part of the bar there?
Yeah, so we're going to go to the coffee bar. We're going to go ahead and
talk to them about the coffee bar. You will more explain everything to them.
Yes, sir. So now we're looking at the coffee bar for you guys. So now with the coffee bar, this is when you first walk into your master bedroom. Again, we already know you're coffee drinkers. Mama do. I'm speaking straight lady. With the coffee, like soon as you get up in the morning for the owners that like to get up, we're going to have a coffee machine and everything here so you can get your coffee right out of your master bedroom. Now we walk into the owner's suite, right, which is going to have another 10-foot window, but we're going to have something called drop ceilings. So these ceilings are going to vault, and then what you're going to do is you're going to have a nice modern contemporary design, mid-century modern, design coming straight across the thing. But as you see, the owner suite is pretty large, man, and straight to the back yard is where we go.
Him say owner suite, we say master bedroom as Jamaican, you don't know this is the master bedroom. Very big in a space. You will see once it start to frame out the right way, I will start to put in the drywall. Steve, talk to them again about the bathroom and the sauna and all of these wonderful stuff. Let's go.
Now, my favorite part of the whole entire project, right? So coming in here, this will be your actual master bathroom or master bathroom suite, whatever you want to call it, right? Again, it's a lot of sticks and stones right now. You got to bear with me. But first thing first, we're going to have an actual dry sauna in the actual bathroom itself. So you guys are going to be able to come out of your nice, pretty shower and tub and walk straight into your actual dry sauna. We're going to put this in as an added feature to make the house kind of boost in value. And just kind of, makes everything pretty special for everybody. Now, going through here, like I said, the master bathroom is pretty large, also 10 feet. But when you're walking through here, we got a his and hers closet, right? So we got your men's closet right here to the left.
Yes, sir.
And then right here to my other left, we got your women's closet. We go a little bit bigger on the women's closet because we know, you guys like your high heels, you like your shoes, your nice pretty things. Yes. So we're going to make it a lot bigger than the men's closet so you guys have room to store all your extra stuff and kind of put that there. So, yes, sir.
Now, let's go, Steve. We are going to the kitchen. The kitchen, we are going with open concept. So we'll go with kitchen and living room all in one. You don't know what have the 20-foot The 22-foot ceiling, high ceiling. Steve, come in, come talk to them. Come talk to them. Because them think a joke thing.
They think it's a joke.
And a joke thing. Talk to them about the kitchen. We know it kind of not look open right now because of all of the lumber. Talk to them about the kitchen again, Steve. Let's go.
Bro, I love to even go about this. Listen, for you guys, this is pretty much the entire, from the kitchen to the living room, everything is open concept. There's no walls, there's nothing hidden. So we're going straight direct sunlight. As you can see to the right, we're going to have, see to my right, we're going to have pretty much 10-foot windows where you can actually see in and kind of see every single thing. So a lot of sunlight in the room. Also, like I said, we're going to have a super large island in the middle. As you guys can see, this is pretty much the plumbing rough end coming out. So that means we're going to have a sink as well as electrical sockets put there. And then we're going to have something called a scullery. So instead of you cooking in your kitchen, dirtying up your kitchen, getting salmonella all over the countertop,
kitchen in the kitchen.
we're going to have a kitchen in the kitchen.
That is what the scullery is.
Yes, sir.
The scullery are where you have your microwave. The scullery where you have your microwave, where you have your wash your dish. So here, you don't have no washing of any dish. Here, I watch by you gather, along with the living room and the scullery. I watch by all of the dirty play take place. Scullery, I watch by the microwave take place, and all of those good things. Steve, talk to them about the outside patio. Let's go.
Yes, sir. So going into the outside patio, if you guys will follow me along. Right now, we're going to have, not only our master bedroom going to lead to the outside patio, so you're going to have a sliding door in your master suite that lead into your outside patio. Even in the living room itself, all glass, you're going to be able to walk straight out onto the patio. So from there, like I said, your patio is going to have a cover top that's about 22 feet, as well as a grill, so you can come out here, start the par. Like Andrew said, man, go ahead and get here and grill your jerk chicken and get everything going.
We have a kitchen outside, so inside we have a kitchen, outside we damn there have a kitchen if you want for barbecue on the outside. Steve, we still a continue. Let's go into the garage.
Yes, sir. So making our way through here. So again, an open concept, you guys remember. So we're going from the kitchen to the living room right now. Of course, we got the fireplace. We got our we got windows over here as well. Yes, sir.
Window there. That size window there. Very beautiful. Lot of sunlight.
Yeah. So lot of sunlight from that particular window. Now going through there, we go straight from the living room. What we're going to do is we're going straight into our 3-car garage. So you guys are going to have a 3-car garage. You know, you can park your 2 rinky-dink cars and your nice Lexus or BMW or whatever it is that you might like, right? Walking into the garage. And then we also have something called a mud room.
Mud room.
So whenever you're coming in from your garage into your house, you always want to make a pit stop. So this is your place where you put your coats, knock off your shoes. You don't want no dirt in the house. So again, we put everything in the mud room so that you guys can hang all your nice clothes and everything up, man.
And this is just the first floor. We're not gone the second floor yet. And you already see the luxury. You already see the type of luxury we have built. 1.6 million where we are trying to sell this thing for at the resale value. We already have a company recently sold.
Yep.
We are going inside of the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Steve, make them know we are trying to build 5 of these per year. I keep on telling them, but them, I guess when them listen from you, they will take it more serious.
Yeah.
We are trying to build how much house per year, Steve?
Listen, man, we're looking to build 5 houses per year between me, Andrew, and my partner Mamadou. Like I said, man, we are in this market to pretty much come and dominate this market. I don't know if y'all guys need to see it, but get off your ass and actually get in here and come get this money with everybody that's also doing it. 7 different builds are going on in this particular area with other builders. So that my thing is, if they can do it, why can't you guys?
Plug Mamadou in for the people that want them business funding, the people that want them H-Car, the
Yes,
people
sir.
that want them credit fix.
Yeah.
Make them know what the man is responsible for that.
Yeah, and let me make sure I really clarify this. I don't want to hear that you don't got no money. I don't want to hear that you don't got no credit. I don't want to hear any of that BS that you guys like to give. It does not take money to do this. You can get into this with no money out of pocket, not going to college or any form of education. You can get into this without any of that, right? If I'm out here doing it, if Mamadou out here doing it, if Andrew out here doing it, you can do it. So make sure that you come out here and get this going, man. Get your credit right, get your business funding, go through Mamadou, and let's get to it. Yes, sir.